Okay, so now we're at our station. What I've done here is I've built a tower. We've seen this in other videos that we've used for both knee and shoulder. We're going to use it today as a traction tower. In order to do that, again, you're going to first put on your outer sleeve, tighten it down. You're going to not put this all the way downward, but actually bring it all the way up so that it's barely catching here, and then tighten that so that it gives that extension. And then lastly, we build this tower and then tighten it in place. We want our distractor to be facing toward us like this, and then everything is again mounted to the table. So we've already put our guide wires in place. This is a 3mm, and then we've got our 2.4 above here. So the first thing that we're going to do is take it and seat it into place, and then catch it onto our locking bolts here. And then with having a little bit of distraction on it, I'm going to then zip tie in place like so, and then catch it. And we're going to get our first little lock on that like that, and we can do this later in distracting. Maybe even easier if we were to just put these and get the first zip tie going initially, but again, as you can see, even by myself I'm able to do this. So we're going to tighten this up just like this, and then we've got it kind of in place. Now all we need to do to create the distraction that we need is come up top, and by turning this, it's shortening the distance here, and therefore with counter traction here, it's actually putting the distraction in the joint that we need and opening up that space to do our portals and eventually our arthroscopic procedure. And then this can be adjusted as needed, opening up different spaces dictated by the needs of the doctor. But that's how we would mount a hand for a wrist arthroscopy.